POV. You just found out an AI running on your laptop beat the most expensive model from Anthropic. That's not the plot of some sci-fi movie. That's happening right now. And it's just the beginning. Welcome to AI Weekly. Let's go. Okay, this is actually insane. Alibaba just dropped Kebri Wimwen 3.6-35, B-A3B, and it's the first open source model to actually beat Claude Opus 4.7 on coding tasks. Not on some carefully curated benchmark. Real coding tasks, the kind you do every day. And here's the kicker, it runs locally. On your laptop, no cloud API, no API bills. That means anyone with a decent GPU can now have a coding assistant that rivals the best Anthropic has to offer for free. This is the democratization moment we've been waiting for. Now here's where things get weird. OpenAI's Codex agent actually hacked a Samsung TV. Not as some movie hack. As legitimate security research, Codex navigated the TV's attack surface, found vulnerabilities, and demonstrated them autonomously. This is the first time an AI agent has done real-world security testing on consumer hardware. And before you ask, yes, this was documented. Yes, it was responsible disclosure. But it raises a wild question. If AI can hack your TV, what else can it hack?